welcome to another max video. In this video, we are going to know about the properties of whole numbers. So what are the properties of whole numbers? So we are having few properties like closure property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property, and additive identity, multiplicative identity. So what exactly are these? Are you keep on reading out the names? What exactly this closure property does? And why did they write closure property for addition and multiplication? And in the previous classes itself, you said that arithmetic operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So why there is no subtraction and division over here? And next, commutative property. Again, they are talking about addition and multiplication. Why they are not talking about this subtraction and division? So same with the associative property. Why? Because this closure property, commutative property, and associative property does not applicable under subtraction and addition. Division. These properties does not applicable under subtraction and division. What is the reason? And some people will be thinking, sir, I'm going out of the track. You are saying property applicable, not applicable. First of all, what is closure property? Closure property is nothing but if you add any two numbers, the resultant also should be a number which belongs to the same number system. These two numbers belongs. No, it's confusing. I'm not getting it. For example, you take any two whole numbers and add. The resultant also should be a whole number. For example, you take 5, everybody accepts it's 5 is a whole number. And take 10, 10 also is a whole number. Add these two numbers, what you'll be getting? 5 plus 10, that is equal to 15. 15 is also a whole number. Okay, so let's see what are the properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property, and then distributive property, and identity for addition and multiplication. As that is what I said, multiplicative identity, additive identity. So now let's go into the closure property. Whole numbers are closed. Closure means closed under addition and multiplication. Means it should not go out. So if x and y are two whole numbers, then x plus y and x into y are also whole numbers. Closure property means if you are adding any two whole numbers, the resultant should be a whole number. If you multiply two whole numbers, the resultant also should be a whole number. That's it. It's very simple. 3 plus 5, where 3 and 5 are whole numbers, and 8 is also a whole number. So you may ask, then why subtraction and division have been excluded from this? Whatever I'm doing, I'm getting whole number only, Mr. Why separate property for that? It is very simple, my dear students. For example, I'm subtracting 10 minus 20. I want to take away 20 from 10. It's not possible, but upcoming classes will be adding one thing called as integer. In integers, we'll be talking about the negative numbers also. 10 minus 20 gives rise to minus 10. So it is not applicable, whereas minus 10 is a negative whole number, but we want the whole numbers. It is out of the number system of whole numbers. That is why we will not consider the subtraction. The same with division. If I write 3 by 6, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting it as 1 by 2, where 1 by 2 is in fraction, but 1 by 2 does not belong in whole numbers. That is why closure property is applicable of whole numbers only for addition and multiplication. It is not applicable, means it will be coming false for subtraction and division. In the same manner for commutative property. What exactly is the commutative property? I am giving you two numbers to add. So I'm asking you to add 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5, you'll be getting 8, or 5 plus 3 also will be getting 8. There is no difference in the result. If this condition is satisfying, then which property will be saying? We'll be saying this property as commutative property. We'll be saying this one as commutative property. Yes, in tables you'll be coming across daily when you're reading the tables. 5 6 are 30, 6 5 are 30. 10 sevens are 70, 7 tens are 70. So if the multiples interchange their position, then also you'll be getting the same answer. In multiplication also will be same in such a manner. Same, you think about the subtraction. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 5 minus 3 is plus 2, which is not satisfying. That is why commutative property under the subtraction is not applicable. Same like division. 10 by 2 is equal to 5. 2 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Whereas 5 and 1 by 5 are not equal. Now, students, commutative property is applicable only under addition and multiplication. In the same manner, associative property, same like commutative property, but here we'll be dealing with 3 numbers, and the brackets plays a crucial role. The brackets, first we'll be dividing, we'll be adding or multiplying within the brackets. So where to keep these brackets plays a crucial role. And the same like commutative property over there. And distributive property, it's just like x into y plus z. What can we write? We can write it as x into y plus y into z. These are the properties which will be seen. So for your understanding, I'll be playing a small animated video on distributive property and other properties. Let's have a look on it, students.